Today we're going to grill up some ribeye. This is by far my favorite cut of beef. A perfect blend of beefy flavor and fatty tenderness. So let's go. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low carb food. Please like and subscribe and I'll bring you new videos every week. Here I have a package of boneless ribeye. You can see how the fat and the lean are well intermixed. The more marbling, the better. All we're doing here is sprinkling liberally with some seasoning salt. You can use plain salt or a seasoning salt of your choice. I have the Lawry's brand seasoning salt here. Both sides, please. Now you can let that meat absorb the salt over an hour or two, or you can leave it uncovered in the fridge for up to 2 days for a bit of that dry aged flavor. When you're ready to grill, just preheat the grill on high until all the burners are nice and warm. You can clean off the grill grates at this point. And what we're looking for is a heavy sear. I'll leave this untouched for 2 minutes and then we'll flip. When flipping, you can be mindful of the direction of the grill grates to give it that nice cross-hatched pattern. Here I'll leave it untouched again for another 2 minutes. At this point, you may start to experience some flare-ups as some of that fat renders and drips down into the flame. That's okay, just move it to another part of the grill. Another 2 minutes and we'll flip again. Look at that. With a little bit of planning, you can get that perfect flame-broiled cross-hatch pattern. So we'll leave it here for another 2 minutes for a total of 8 minutes searing time. Now you can add some freshly ground pepper. If you add the pepper too early, it either falls into the grill or it just burns. Now if it starts flaring up, just move it to another part of the grill. Now you can see if your steak is done. Depending on the thickness of the steak, it may need a couple minutes longer. I usually use a meat thermometer to temp it and I'm looking for 125 degrees. So we're still needing another couple minutes here. Now you can also turn down the flame to about a medium, and you can flip it each time you test to ensure that both sides are cooked evenly. And don't forget to pepper the other side. After one more flip, let's temp it again. A perfect 125 degrees or medium rare. How do you like your steaks? We are done. You can take it off the grill and let it rest for 5 to 15 minutes. This will allow all the juices to reabsorb back into the meat for an extremely juicy steak. Time to slice it up. Let's go right into that center and see how we did. Look at that. That looks perfectly cooked. Nice and pink on the inside, juicy. You see all the glistening juices in that bite of steak. My mouth is watering just looking at it. Let's slice up the rest and start to eat. Now I like to plate it in a circular fashion in its own juices, so it reabsorbs all that delicious, flavorful juice, but it also looks appetizing for feeding one person or multiple people. You can also fan it out a little bit to show off that perfectly medium rare doneness. Now I completely forgot to film while eating it, but trust me, this is the perfect balance of juicy, tender, and flavorful steak. And there you have it, a perfectly grilled ribeye steak. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.